The Future Business Leaders of America were hosted by BASH last month for their fall regional workshop. 10 schools from Pennsylvania's Region 8 FBLA gathered to discuss business strategies, key ideas, and tips for success in the workplace.
230 kids here from 10 different schools, and we're going to have an opening ceremony that runs just like an FBLA meeting, and then they're going to go to workshops.
Several business personalities from the Boyertown area, as well as Berks County, led sessions for students. Among the featured speakers were Mrs. Malecki, Randy Doty, Mrs. Mauger, Mrs. Misko, and Zachary Reiner.
Well, my workshop is called Lights, Camera, Action, and it's describing my business that I run on the internet called WZAR. It's a video production business and community outreach kind of business. So I'm going to explain to the students how they can really make their dreams come true by really working for what they want, and how they can use their business sense to better themselves and their community.
Several representatives from the Red Cross made an appearance to discuss FBLA's state project. Raising money and volunteering were just a few of the suggestions for community service set forth by the organization.
We need to reach as many people as possible to make sure that they know exactly what they need to do if something's going to happen in their community.
After the group presentation, students disembarked to their respective classrooms for specialized lessons. The lectures spanned a variety of topics ranging from accounting and finances to computers and dressing for success.
So Kevin, how did you decide what you were going to wear today?
Well, Andrew, I looked in my closet and saw that I had about 2 nice things to wear, so I picked one.
Fascinating. You know, blue is your color.
Why, thank you, Andrew.
You're welcome.
My mom says it accents my eyes.
Your eyes are brown.
Even with its minor downfalls, the workshop was a great success. The future business leaders left the conference with new ideas and lots to think about. Reporting for BASH TV News, this is Andrew Galaska.